Okay, so we're going to talk about correlation coefficients and uh, just what do they tell you about how well a linear model fits a data set. So what you see on the right side, those are just examples of positive correlation, negative correlation, no correlation. And right here, this is a correlation coefficient of +1. Right here, we have a positive, or sorry, negative correlation. So and it's perfect, so it's -1. So uh, when you're talking about how the correlation coefficient or what it's going to tell you about a linear model fitting your data set, well, the closer that the correlation coefficient is to either 1 or -1, the closer it is, the better the linear model is going to fit the data set, because that means that the data points are closer together. And if they're closer together, like you see in this perfect positive or perfect negative correlation, that means you got this really tight line and it's very just clearly going up or clearly going down. Uh, and that means a linear model, a line, would fit this because it kind of generally looks like a line. And then as you get further away from one or get further away from -1, it still resembles a line, but it's getting less like a line. And then as you go further away, it gets even less like a line. So as that correlation coefficient, essentially as the absolute value of it gets smaller, then it's going to be harder to use a line to model your data.